Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today we've got this awesome ration that was sent to us from Nathan's MRE. Please go to his channel and sub, like, ring the bell, watch his videos. They're awesome. So if you remember a few videos back, Nathan and we had the 1980s reproduction of the Yugoslavian MREs. And he did his, I did mine. They were a little bit different, the rations, but it was still very interesting to see his take and my take on the rations. So Nathan sent me this ration and I'm gonna do a review. I believe he's got the exact same ration. He's gonna do the review and then we're gonna see how they compare. This is a Z ration. It's a zombie MRE and it's got a website, ForeignMRE.com. And if you flip it over on the back, it's got a sticker. It says new menu 23, pepperoni pizza slice. And again, it's got the website. And also sent along is the carrot pound cake. What I like about this ration is it'll actually stand up, as you can see. And instead of a peelable pouch, it's got a tear, which, all right, let's try that again. Well, it has a tear strip, but, all right. So, we'll get the QSP knife. The link is in the description in the bottom there if you'd like to purchase one. And this bad boy stays sharp. Okay. Well, you know what? We don't need this. It's resealable, but we're not going to reseal it anyway. We're just going to eat it. Let's see what we have inside. Cherry Cobbler. Here we have a flameless ration heater, a chocolate hazelnut coca drink, accessory pack, a water bag, the knife, the fork, spoon, looks like salt maybe in there, pepper, and a napkin, Italian breadsticks. Okay, we have an oatmeal chocolate chunk cookie, and we have a pizza slice. And man, this is my favorite. The cheese spread with jalapenos. Man, this is always a big score. And then the last thing we have is a bottle of Tabasco sauce. And we have the ration pack, a Beverage-based Cranberry Grape drink, moist towelette, iodized salt, chewing gum, which may or may not contain laxative. If it does contain laxative, you have your paper towels. And that's gonna be everything inside of the Z ration Zombie MRE. So I think the first thing we want to do is we want to get the pizza going. And I think I want to put the cobbler in. And if I can get everything in, I think I want to put the breadsticks in also. So we'll open up the flameless ration heater, see what we can get inside. And we definitely want to get the pizza in. If it'll fit. What do you guys think? Think it's gonna fit? And I think we got it. But I'm thinking we're pushing our luck with the breadsticks. So what I might do is just set this on the outside. I'm gonna go ahead and put the salt in. Definitely probably not gonna need that for the pizza. Put the salt in. I didn't make a mess. Got some water here. Fill it up to the line. So I got it pretty good. Make sure we get everything saturated. We'll just set that to the side and we'll see if it gets started or not. And then we still have the Italian breadsticks. We'll just set those right on top. Maybe that'll work, maybe not. And moving on, We've got the cocoa hazelnut beverage powder. Okay, it says to add 6 ounces of hot water. And we have 6 ounces in the ForeignMRE.com mug. Now if I can pour this in without making a mess. Not too bad. Okay, we're gonna zip this up. Fold this over. Because you've seen what's happened to me before. We'll give it a good shake. And that is super hot. And let's open it up. And we'll pour it into the ForeignMRE.com mug. Look at that. And that smells really good. Real chocolatey smell. I love that. And I'm not sure about the flameless ration heater. Feels like it, I don't know. We'll give it a few more minutes. If not, we can always go to the backup. Okay, then we have the knife, fork, spoons, got some pepper in there. You know we don't use that. We have the ForeignMRE.com spork, titanium, multi-purpose. So we've got the beverage-based, wow, I can't speak today. Beverage-based cranberry grape, sugar-free. Already have the water in. Looks like it's mixing up pretty good. Let's wipe that off. And the water I spilled, let me get that out. Okay, next thing we have, it's a carrot cake. Well, let's go on to something else right now. Get bully out of the way. Let's open up the oatmeal chocolate chunk cookie. Wow, this is a huge, huge cookie. Look at that. We're gonna check. And this is heating up, so we're good there. So let's get the Italian breadsticks out. And immediately I can smell the garlic on these. And look how fresh these are. I've never had garlic sticks this fresh, where they just peel apart. And this is, you know, it's getting warm. It's not as warm as it usually gets, but we'll see what happens. Okay, now let's get into the carrot pound cake. Let me move these over. You can share right there. I think the pound cake has seen better days, but it still smells good. Look at that. Oh yeah, smells really good. And well, we're still waiting on our mains, or our main. Let's open up the cheese spread. Try that on our Italian breadsticks. Look at that. That looks really good. It's got a good color. Oh man, that is super good. It's got it's your standard cheese, but it's got a good flavor of jalapeno. And I have to say, this probably has the most kick of any of the cheese spread with jalapenos I've had yet. It is kind of spicy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the mains out and wipe them down. I'll get them out on the tray. We'll be right back. So we got everything out. I had to make an adjustment. Got too much stuff out on the tray, so I moved the cookie. But I've got the cherry cobbler here. I've got the pizza here. So I'm dying to try this pizza. It's the flameless ration heater wasn't as strong as it should have been, but it still warmed everything up. So pizza smells like a pepperoni pizza. So let's give it a try. Man, the pizza is very good. I'm gonna give it a try with a little bit of the jalapeno cheese. maybe kick it up a notch. Wow, that's very good. So let's try the drink, Cranberry Grape. Very good. It tastes really sweet, but it's sugar-free. And let's try the cookie. Now the cookie, even though it's fresh, it looks like it's old. Just the texture is probably the way it's made. It may look old, but it definitely doesn't taste old. So let's dip it in the cocoa beverage powder. Very good. So let's give the cocoa beverage powder a try by itself. Oh man, that's very good. It's got a deep, rich chocolate flavor. It's not overly sweet. It's just good. And we've got the pound cake. The pound cake is a little bit dry, but what do you expect? Cake in a package. Well, carrot cake is my favorite cake, but that tastes like, well, imagine a cake in a package that's designed for 5 or more years. And that's what the taste is gonna be like. So I'm gonna try a little bit of the Tabasco sauce. Try a little bit of it on the pizza. Definitely good with the Tabasco too. But I think I prefer the cheese spread on the pizza. So, wet nap. Very wet, as you can see. Hey, this one's pretty tough, a little bit of rip. No smell to it, but this one was definitely stronger than what I'm used to getting. Yeah, usually they rip pretty easy. And then we've got our gum, laxative, spearmint flavor. Not gonna chew that. So, give you a recap. Got the MRE pizza. I give it about a 9. I give it a 10 with the jalapeno cheese spread. Man, this stuff is really good. And I give it a 9.5 with the Tabasco added to it. And I didn't try the cherry cobbler. And I was really looking forward to trying this. Oh man. Wow. Remember, I heated it up. So it's pretty warm, but it is just awesome. Oh man. Definitely gonna finish that. So this tastes just like a cherry cobbler. It's got some of the crust in it. The crust is kind of, it's not crunchy. It would be just the same as what you would find on the bottom of a cobbler that's kind of soft. But I would definitely give this a 10. Now the carrot cake, like I said, I really like carrot cake, but I have to give this probably about a 6. And then the breadsticks, I give them a 9, but when you add the cheese to them, man, I give it a perfect 10. Now this cookie, as you can see, it looks like it's old, and you know, it's real crumbly, and looking at it, you know, I'm thinking, man, maybe it's 10 years old, but obviously it's not. But it tastes brand new, so I give it a 10. Now the cranberry grape drink, I give it about a 9. It's a little bit too sweet. Maybe if I added a little more water to it. And then the cocoa beverage powder, this is a 10. Not overly sweet. Got a deep chocolate flavor to it. Just absolutely perfect. And the Tabasco sauce, what can you say? Tabasco sauce, in my opinion, is always a 10. So remember, after you've watched this video, Nathan's gonna release a video of the same ration, and we're gonna compare our thoughts on it. So if you haven't watched Nathan's video, jump over there after this one, watch his video. And if you've watched his video, hopefully you jumped over here to watch this video. And give a big shout out to Nathan for sending over the Z Ration Zombie MRE. Without Nathan, MRE, we wouldn't have this review. So as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can't get this ration, but you can get it at the www.allmres.com. And you can get your fresh discounted ration at ForeignMRE.com. Thanks for watching.